These are so yummy. The people at my house are chanting their name to let me know they crave them. They're a snack very easy to make. You start with a cup of flour, and don't forget to add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, then transfer into a bowl. You need to add a cup of plain yogurt to that. Then add a cup of crumbled feta cheese. Last, but not least, add 1 egg. Mix everything together with a blender until almost perfect. What I mean is that you don't want big chunks of cheese in the dough. This is a good dough. You have to transfer the dough into a piping bag secure with a tie, and cut a large opening. I'm using a saucepan with a 5.5-inch diameter bottom. That is approximately 14 centimeters. I added frying oil 1 inch deep. Then I start dispensing the dough from the bag, leaving some room for it to grow. Frying took about 5 minutes per side, and you have to flip once. I kept the temperature on medium-low. They're done when they have this light brown color, crunchy on the outside and soft and airy inside. They taste savory, but you don't get a strong cheese taste. They're cheese doughnuts.